Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tory if you're new here, and today I am going to be showing you my nighttime routine, cleaning and cooking edition. So right now I am headed home from work. We have this just gorgeous view. We can finally see the mountains after all of the wildfire smoke that came our way, and I am headed right to Target. I'm getting a Target pickup order that I placed while I was on my lunch break, and I'm heading home. So I picked up both kids from both daycares, and I'm coming home to this mess. I've been thinking about it all day, oddly enough, and I really need this space to be organized. It was a system of chaos this morning, and that's all I could think about. So there's diapers here, there's a laundry, and there are bags of clothes that need to be donated. So I went ahead and picked this up in my Target pickup. It's some 2-cube storage organization. I got mine for $16.99 because it was on sale, and I got a little cube divider. So I actually spared you the drama of putting this thing together. It was simple to put together. I just have young children, and furniture like this, no matter how light it is, I like to adhere it to the wall. So that was where the tricky part came in. I just had some random decor in my fall box. So I have a coaster here in the shape of a pumpkin with some candles. I have some shoes for the kids, just things that we use every day. And these cute little winter booties for Delilah. They just came in. I'm super excited for snow now. And then on the bottom here in the cube storage, I put those diapers, wipes, lotions, powders, anything that we need for that realm of our life. But this is what I want in my house, a little more, some functional storage. So something that is decorative but also serves a purpose. I think that's super important, especially for small spaces. So I am really happy with how this came out. And now I am taking the kids outside, letting them run off some of their energy. We were in the car for around an hour and a half. There was a lot of traffic, so I just wanted them to be able to get outside and play before we ate dinner and got baths and started our nighttime routine for them.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did.
So we are inside now, and I'm starting the kids' dinner. It's around 6:15, and I'm gonna do grilled cheeses. So I like to sneak in veggies whenever I possibly can. This is a classic in my house. So I have some chopped up broccoli and then some veggie cream cheese, and then I'm gonna top that with some cheddar cheese and just cook it just like a regular grilled cheese. It goes down really well. The kids really love it. They don't seem to mind the broccoli at all. So if you're struggling with veggies and picky toddlers, just try this out. Let me know how it went for you. So I'm just melting some butter in here, toasting it up, and then I'm actually going to serve it with some hummus and dip. But another way I like to sneak in things is to chop up just about anything to put in that hummus. We had some lunch meat, so I chopped it up, put it in the hummus, and I served it with some pretzel chips.
Why don't we go back to, never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, honestly I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to your bedroom?
So currently the table is in use because I have my laundry on the table. I folded it and I put it in piles, and of course the kids destroyed it, and I just was tired of refolding things. So we're just gonna have a little picnic on the floor tonight. Let's face it, I do this a lot honestly. But the kids really seem to love it. They like to just sit here and listen to music or watch a show and eat their dinner. I am making what I like to call leftover lasagna, essentially anything you can put into a noodle casserole. So we have leftover mashed potatoes, we have lasagna noodles, we have chicken, and we have some sauce. I have some onions cooking up in some butter into a pierogi casserole. I'm gonna serve ours with either a salad or a vegetable, but we like to do this when we're cleaning out the fridge. It's gonna taste amazing. And let me show you how I put it together.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break.
That is going in the oven at 350 for around an hour. My husband is not home yet. I just wanted it low and slow while I did some dishes. You will probably see me change often in this video. I get hot and cold, especially during the fall months. So I am in my Eagle sweatshirt and I'm doing the dishes here. I'm just using a Pampered Chef scraper to get all of the caked on food. And then I am using a brush and some soap here, just rinsing things off. I'm going to load the dishwasher. I choose to run the dishwasher every single night, and then in the morning, if I have a second, I will unload it, but generally I don't unload it until I get home. Now I am unpacking the cooler. I take this cooler every single day just because we spend so much time in the car, and it is filled with drinks and snacks, and that's about it. If I can fit my own lunch in there, I do, but generally I am snacking throughout the day. So I'm just wiping it out here, and I'm doing the same to Wilder's lunch. Currently, I pack his lunch at the daycare he is at, but I am super excited because he got into the same daycare as his sister, so we will be dropping them off together. It will make the commute semi-shorter, and I'm gonna have some peace of mind knowing that they are together. Now I am going on to the floors. I like to vacuum when the kids are up so I don't wake them up. So I'm going to vacuum quick. I may mop later, but it's not something that I do every single night, maybe just once a week.
Someone like you, I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for
Let me know if this happens to you, but of course when I was cleaning one thing, I noticed another. So I noticed it was really dirty on my dishwasher and refrigerator and stove and cabinets. So I'm taking the Method degreaser and I'm wiping everything down. Now, before you come for me for using the degreaser, I did buy it on a whim just because I was having some really troubled spots in the kitchen. And what I do with it is just use use about 1/4 of the actual concentrate, and then I fill the rest with hot water. So in my mind, that's helping a little bit. We try and live a non-toxic life, but of course with 2 children, I do like to try and keep things a little clean. Of course, my all-purpose spray that I like to make helps, but I do like to use this for tough stuff in the kitchen. It is around 7 o'clock and Delilah is down for the night, and Wilder and I are going out to water the plants. I try and do this every night if I get to it, but sometimes I forget. So I still have some Brussels sprouts out here, pepper and sweet potato. I'm actually going to plant some kale this weekend and a little bit more squash. Hopefully that will come before the first snow. But I am just watering all of those as well as the watermelons. I'm going to show you my beautiful flower here, and I do have some tiny pumpkins growing in a random spot, so I'm really excited about that as well. Now I'm just setting out everything I need. I have some extra Nutri-Grain bars, my clean mask, and some vitamins before I forget. And I am filling up a pot of water so I can just turn the burner right on in the morning for my morning coffee. I'm actually just scooping it out of this coffee canister that I got for my wedding, and it keeps coffee fresh, but I am just scooping it out anyways and putting it into my coffee maker here. Just cleaning up a little bit, making sure everything's wiped down. I have my mug ready and my son's water bottle ready. I like to keep that out as well. And I have my big jug of water. I'm going to pop that in the refrigerator. And then I am moving on to packing my son's lunch. So my toddler promised he would start eating his lunch if it was shaped like Halloween shapes. So we have a bat here and a pumpkin, and I'm using that veggie cream cheese again, some ham, and I am going to make a little quesadilla with pumpkin as well as some of these blueberry biscuits. I don't know if he'll eat them. I am just trying anything. I do have some raspberries here, and I'm going to do some cheese, and then I'm going to shape them like some bats. I do like to pack him yogurt. There is a little someone that likes to take his yogurt at daycare, so sometimes I do it, and sometimes I don't, but hopefully no one will take his yogurt tomorrow. I am going to light my candle here and attempt to relax for the night. I answer emails at night, I drink tea, sometimes I draw. I just do something to get my mind wound down, and I try and stay off my phone, but of course it's inevitable. So sometimes I go on my phone. All right, my friends, that is going to do it for tonight's cleaning nighttime motivation vlog, whatever you want to call it, whatever you got from this video tonight. I'm just sitting here answering some parent emails and lesson planning, of course. I am waiting on that casserole in the oven, and I'm trying to get my toddler to stay in his bed. He has gotten up 7 times, so we shall see if he gets up anymore. Fingers crossed for me. I will see you this week for some new videos. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I will see you next time. Bye.